No be small thing, they say that the battle line they don't finally draw am. Ijele wey be Bâttle versus Gentle the Yahoo. No be small thing, say Gentle the Yahoo come tell Ijele say they see handwork. Say this time he don't get time for am. Ijele don't reply. Say make him tell am the place where they go meet. This fight go heavy. No be for side east they go fight. This one na Abuja. They don't come outside. Come say they go find Ijele go Abuja. Make they tell am say they happen. I bet watch the video before we come back and continue. A lot of things happen for this video. Watch am from beginning to end.
Stand up, dear fans. Let the sea go line too much. Hakuro line as well around 9 too much. And for you, Ijele, Bâttle, since everly I started this program, I started this struggle, I never mention your name. Bâttle that I was mentioning was second to Sapele, and since then I mentioned Bâttle, second of Sapele. Are you a second to Sapele? The second in command of Sapele, his name was Bâttle. Now you carry everything up, carry everything on your head. The pursue who is not after you. See today, met you up on Ishigi. Yeah, drink camera and when I catch your collar, met you up on Ishigi.
Ifanye ezoko orienta. Gentle, it's obvious you are not marked for living. It's obvious that when it's time for a sick dog to buy, it will walk its 2 left legs inside the slaughterhouse, or 4 left legs inside the slaughterhouse. Let me tell you, if you notice if fear no dey my eye, you understand. And I've been calling for this fight. You don't need to lie that I wasn't Bâttle. There is only one Bâttle that's against you. Okay? I don't know any other Bâttle. Now you are changing it to be someone else. It's a lie. Now let me tell you, I don't care who the fucking politicians that are giving you this cover are. I don't care what they are telling you. If you notice, from the day you released your voice notes that you were sick, I analyzed it to a T, and everything I said happened. I only shared about your crime because the army were deceived into making such a statement. And as somebody that will always believe the armed forces first, I went on with it without knowing that even the army themselves were fooled by those politicians. And it is because the governor surrounds himself with evil people. So I don't care the game you people think you are playing. It's you and I. It has always been. So I don't know when you caught the truth on your own. I never caught any truth from day one. And the offer still stands. If I there, give me location. I don't care how many GPMGs you have. I don't care how many boys you will gather around yourself. I know the last thing you will do is one-on-one combat with me. They no born you well. I go by you. Do you want to settle it as men? Fear will not let you. If not, your men one side, me the other side. We do am as men. I go deal with you, which you know. I will seriously deal with you. You never begin wrong. All this your hide mugu. See your shrine. See Christian music. Which one? Ken on there. And Jesus and it say, couldn't know fool because you are a very unstable human being. If I use Okorienta, I am not afraid of you, and I never called off my pursuit of you. I don't know who spoke to you, but yes, I came to Owerri specifically because of people like you. I have no business with your governor. As far as I'm concerned, he's useless in security. I have no business with any politician. I can't trust any law enforcement. In case you don't know, I'm building something against you people. You see this guy, Eddie Afono, maybe you think your politicians or whoever will set me up the way they set Eddie Afono up. No, they tried that one already and failed woefully. They failed woefully. So don't assume that I will hear your words and be shivering. Hey, oh, gentle mentioned my name. Fuck you. You are a tozo local bingo. Akuki Igbo Yebo. You are Ozu. Mutobo. Mwewu. You still the climb palm tree when men don't they handle iron. You still they learn carpentry work for Aba when men they knock international. Look at where international ni. International. So Obuhonwa bingo di kagiga ne yi me we the too small. You are a fucking twat. Your politicians will be telling you whatever they like, oh, but I'm telling you, when my fury is directed at you, when it finally arrives, none of them will be safe. Hagabo, so they would run. My people tracked you the day you went to buy timber. The day when you go buy wood for your Kigwe market inside December. So I've confirmed of your living. In fact, I never even bought it. Like I said, it was when the army announced it that kind of, yes, announced it. Just like every other media house. So it's not as if I was the only person. Now, my deal is this. The same one I gave you before. You better buy yourself because it will be better you were not born than these hands getting to you first. And the day it will happen, I go start with all those politicians where they back you up. The moment you see them falling as flies, know that your end is near. So here na the last time you mentioned my name, wait for part 2. This time around, you won't escape it.
And by the power bestowed upon me by my master, Triple General, all the whole commanders in 40 states of Biafra, listen very carefully. Anywhere you see an Igbo man practicing or being a full member of Islam in Igbo land, deal with that person. Don't deal with that person and look back. Because they have killed us enough. They have slaughtered Christians enough. We only have 3 major worship in Igbo land. 1, Jewish. Secondly, we accept Christian. But we know that Christian is a thing that they brought to us. Just to use it and deceive us. We accept it. 3, our culture. Our Delala. That these are the 3 major worshippers that we have in this Igbo land. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. Yeah, it's out. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. They thought they have killed us so that they can be able to establish all their goals, all their plans in Biafra land. You people have never killed us, so when I never finish our junior ones itself, the little ones, talk less of touching the grown-up ones before getting to us. Oh, John Atokun. We are still alive. Then for you, Udele, I know you don't have shame. You don't have shame on you. You carry the news. You were the one that told the world, the entire world, the Biafras at large, that you confirmed from your rightful source that Gentle is dead. I had it and I kept it on my story, on my book. Now you don't have shame. You came down to Owerri, you were hiding yourself, doing video. After you left Owerri to Abuja, to your father's land, you now played the video. You now posted the video. Why doing such? You say you are a man. Show up yourself. Calm down, free yourself, move around. At least in all things, I know that I'm not in Imo State, Anambra, Abia State, Ebonyi State, Enugu State. But at least I am a free man in Igbo land. I can move around, I can move wherever I like, wherever I choose to move. Why are you hiding yourself? Stop it. So,
hello, my people. Zorangs. I don't reach, and they wait for vehicle. So I they wait when they reach. See how. No way. Live and direct, bro. Those of you that refuse to listen, have you seen what I told you about this attack on Muslims in the southeast? Are you seeing it now? Would you now believe it? You've heard it from this Egbedima, Ifeanyi Eze. Have you heard it from are you now going to believe it now? You've heard it from this useless Okada man. Where carpenter work no gree do. Fapa. Have you heard, when I do see things, it's not even as if you can't see the way I'm seeing it, is because many of you have been filled with hate. And you don't even know when you are supporting evil people. Eventually, you people are the ones that are suffering it the most. Do you know thousands of people these guys have died? And it's because of support from fools like you that is listening to me, and you followed this nonsense about attacks on Muslims. You don't even know where things are coming from. Have you asked, this food I'm about to eat, where was it found? Who are the people that cultivated this thing, watered it, nourished it, harvested and cooked and gave to me? Have you heard it? Meanwhile, I don't even want to go into the threat you were issuing to his father. Ozu, Utobo, now let me tell you. Gentle is not about noise making. You are in the media, I'm in the media. You open your mouth and say, so place, we'll meet so place in Alibu. If you breathe after that day, make I buy. I go hang myself. Would you do a live video for what? Like, tell me to come to Owerri that you will do live video wherever you are, so place in Okigwe. Me, I go find you for come. No be noise. You think I be you, coward, where they had died? Ozu, I landed and purposely stood outside there. Anybody where they pass from that Owerri airport, you must pass that. If they exit, you must exit from that door. Now the front I sit down because I saw some of you people's useless bingo supporters kind of hiding and looking at their father. I just laughed. I sat down there for everybody to see it. Oh me, now when I return, okay, this is the excuse you are giving the Umutobo for your cowardice. You are a coward. When I was leaving, I was putting on a white shirt. And I did a live video when I was leaving. So don't say that so I changed my clothes, right? I changed inside the airport or what? You are a coward. You are a bastard. You see, when I come for you, none of those politicians will save you. None of those politicians, I don't care the party they are supporting. From APC, the OPC politicians, to the PDP, to the LP, to the ADC, to the ABGA politicians that are working for you, you are working for, none will save you. Admit you are too cowardly to face me. That's why you are now lying. If I'm not a fool like you, nobody poisoned you. Now you've started, try to decide them with the poison. I'm sure you watched my video where I analyzed your poison video. I said, no, this thing looks so staged. And on the reportage of the fake buying, is because it came from the army headquarters. And even people at Owerri did not confirm it. The people at the Obrins, I know somebody that knows the garrison commander. He called the garrison commander. The garrison commander said no, that news is not confirmed. Yes. But I've already done the video. So it's not as if there is anything I will gain for your buying. You are a complete nobody. Like, I don't even consider you number 100th threat. Threat number 100, you know they there. So in order to show these people that you're strong, you're lying that he dey do Google like me. Django Apieku, Deriwa Mama. That me go hide, come like say you be who. How much you want bet make I come Okigwe this weekend? Make we do an open challenge now. If I say this one no be, can we do the open challenge this fucking week? This weekend? You go see me for that Okigwe. You want bets? So because you want to fool this idiot, you are now telling them, oh, me, like you, they mad. I be coward like you. I'm not a coward like you. I don't need all these useless boys you are deceiving. No, me, I go find you, by you. Am I hiding? You are hiding. Even when you are going to Umunze, on Imo, Mbano side, you are hiding. Why are you now using bike? Onyoshi, why are you now using bike? They follow bush path. They carry boys everywhere. Mugu. Give me appointment if I no come. Then make people know say me no between me and you who they lie and who be fool. If you are not a woman, if they know they knock you for yash, give me location. This noise. I know why I put that video. I was putting on white when I was leaving. So stop deceiving this your own way. Bow down before your king. Bow down before your God. Even you can't always be your God. No say he no go even he no reach me. He know that one. Agame vude kam gane zorege zori ki shade gebuma. Mutobo.
People no be smart, you know. You see this fight, he go red though. As he be right now, I bet more than share this video. I go to bring you update of this. See this fight, I go follow this one. I no go miss one for one day. We go see the owner of the land and the other person wey side the other people. We go see who go win this fight. I beg share this video. Drop your own opinion for a comment section.